Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. To replace the crisper cover on your refrigerator, first pull out the crisper drawer. Now lift the old crisper cover up and pull it forward to remove. Install the new crisper cover by sliding it over the pins and onto the side rails. Then lower the cover into position. Now align the new gasket on the front edge of the cover and snap it into place. With the new cover installed, replace the crisper drawer. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.